Hey guys, welcome back to the xAI channel. On March 11, Elon Musk announced that Grok would be open sourced this week. Some users commented below that OpenAI should also be open sourced. Well, Musk's response was very intriguing. So today, we'll explore the fascinating face-off between Grok and the brilliant ChatGPT4. Buckle up, let's get started. Diving straight in, what is Grok? Elon Musk leaped into the AI sphere with xAI in 2023, and with it came Grok, an AI chatbot inspired by The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. But what sets Grok apart from ChatGPT4? We'll first peek at the benchmark tests. According to Grok's official site, Grok emerges victorious over peers in many assessments, except for GPT-4. In terms of language proficiency, Grok isn't just a chatbot, it understands, interacts in complex discussions, and adds an interpretative flair to its responses. On the other hand, ChatGPT-4 improves significantly from its predecessor, offering a more nuanced understanding of queries and delivering more consistent responses. Interestingly, Grok has a trick up its sleeve, its humor mode for a more engaging user experience. Let's talk money. OpenAI provides a free basic ChatGPT and a $20 a month premium version with extra perks. Grok follows closely behind, and even undercuts with a premium version at just $16 a month. Now, back to Grok's open source plan. This move will enable worldwide collaboration, potentially accelerating Grok's enhancements to outrun its contemporaries, like ChatGPT4 from OpenAI. Will OpenAI follow suit and open source too? Follow us to stay updated, and we'll see you in the next one.